Alcohol. A drink so common, yet so mysterious in how it impacts our bodies. Have you ever wondered what really happens after that first sip? Stay with us, because what you're about to learn might just change how you think about alcohol forever. The journey begins the moment alcohol touches your lips. Unlike most foods, alcohol doesn't wait to reach your stomach to start its effects. A tiny amount is absorbed right there, on your tongue and the lining of your mouth. But wait, did you know alcohol can dry out your mouth, and can even dehydrate your entire body? This dryness can cause something unusual, a white tongue. White tongue is a condition that occurs when papillae become inflamed and bacteria and dead cells become trapped within them, causing a white film cover forms in the surface of the tongue. Let's move on, there's much more to uncover. Once alcohol leaves your mouth, it travels down your esophagus into your stomach. Here's where the real magic, or chaos, happens. If your stomach is empty, alcohol rushes straight to your small intestine, where it's absorbed into your bloodstream within 30 minutes. That's fast. But wait, add food to the mix, and everything slows down. Alcohol gets trapped in your stomach alongside the food, delaying absorption and lowering its effects. In fact, eating a fatty meal can cut your blood alcohol concentration in half. So, the next time you drink, remember, food is your friend. Ever felt that burning sensation in your stomach after a few drinks? That's alcohol increasing acid production. For heavy drinkers, this can lead to painful sores and even damage to your intestines. A word of advice, a big meal before drinking can save you a world of discomfort. In fact, the presence of fatty meals can significantly reduce the peak blood alcohol concentration. Now, here's where things get fascinating. The small intestine, with its massive surface area, is where most of the alcohol is absorbed. The lining of your intestine is covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area, making absorption incredibly efficient. Alcohol diffuses through these cells into the capillaries and is then whisked away into your bloodstream. From here, it's distributed to every corner of your body. Now for the part everyone's curious about, the brain. Alcohol interrupts chemical signals between neurons, which is why you feel lightheaded, your speech slurs, and your reflexes slow down. But there's more. However, like many drugs, alcohol also stimulates the release of dopamine in your body. Dopamine is an enzyme that creates pleasure feeling in your body. And that is what you make feel great with drinking alcohol. The tricky part is that, when you drink more alcohol, more dopamine is produced, and more pleasure feeling. When you are not drinking alcohol, your body releases only lesser amount of dopamine. So you force to drink more alcohol to get more pleasure feeling. This is how addiction takes hold, slowly, but powerfully. Let's meet the unsung hero of your body, the liver. Liver is the largest organ in the body. One of the major functions of liver is to get rid of poisons like alcohol that enter the body. Without the liver we could not live. More than 90% of ingested alcohol is metabolized in the liver, at a rate of approximately 1 standard drink per hour. But the rate varies from person to person. The rate of degradation and clearance in the liver depends on a variety of genetic and environmental factors including body size, previous alcohol exposure, food intake, and one's general health. Liver mainly produces two enzymes, alcohol dehydrogenase, ADH, and aldehyde dehydrogenase, ALDH. Here, alcohol is broken down through a two-step process. First, an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, ADH, breaks alcohol down into acetaldehyde. which is actually more toxic than alcohol itself. But don't panic, your liver produces another enzyme, aldehyde dehydrogenase, ALDH, to turn acetaldehyde into acetate. And it will excrete it from the body through breath, urine, and sweat. This process is why your breath smells of alcohol and why you feel the effects over time. Which is how breathalyzers work. But here's the catch, your liver can only process about 1 standard drink per hour. Drink more than that, and the alcohol remains in your blood, causing that familiar intoxication. Heavy drinking over a period of years can damage the liver cells and cause serious liver disease. Over time, heavy drinking can overwhelm the liver, causing fatty liver, hepatitis, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. The liver may be resilient, but it's not invincible. Here's a fascinating fact. Men and women metabolize alcohol differently. Men have more of the enzyme ADH in their stomachs and livers, which reduces alcohol absorption by up to 30%. Women, on the other hand, produce less ADH, making them more susceptible to alcohol's effects. This is why the same number of drinks hits women harder. Also, women typically have a higher percentage of body fat and less water in their bodies compared to men. This causes alcohol to be more concentrated in the bloodstream, leading to faster and stronger effects. Excessive alcohol use has a price, and it's steep. Alcohol doesn't just affect your liver, it impacts your brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, and even your muscles. The damage is real, and it's permanent. Fatty liver, hepatitis, liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, swelling and pain. Brain, memory loss, lack of concentration, depression, phobia, anxiety. Mouth, increased cancer risk in oral cavity, larynx, and throat. Lungs, risk of chest infection, increased alcohol level in breath. Heart, enlarged heart, high blood pressure, irregular pulse. Kidney, more urine, dehydration, loss of minerals. Muscle, loss of muscles, broken bones. Alcohol may be a part of life for many, but understanding its journey through your body is the first step to making informed decisions. Remember, your body is remarkable, but it's also fragile. Treat it with care. What surprised you the most about alcohol's effects on your body? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay curious and stay healthy.